My God, look at all this. Whether they're chemtrails or contrails, either way, they're still leaving something in the sky, you know? Look at all that. Holy crap. Either way, it's still leaving something in the sky, guys. Come on. If you can't see this, you're a friggin' idiot. I mean, you gotta be fucking stupid if you can't see this. Completely fucking retarded. You gotta be a complete fucking retard if you can't tell something's going on. Look at all that. Anyways, and then nothing over here.